With the progress that's being made to the gearbox, or the blender-powered Mega Motorized Gear Cube, I now get to print the core. The core is the single largest print in the entire project. It's the model that I use to base all of the scaling off of. I could technically print the large gears bigger, but the core has to fit on the build plate. I didn't want to assemble it at all, so it has to be all printed in place. The print takes just over 2 days and over 1 kilogram of filament, which means I need 1 filament swap, which I've already done, so we are almost halfway there. I had to make some custom changes so that we had separate pieces for the core and the gear shaft. I then scaled it down and did a test print just to see how the pieces would fit together, and that went pretty well. I then scaled it up a little bit to run the test again, and that went not quite as good, so we still have a few changes to make to the shaft. But the issue here is between the shaft and the base gear, so we can print the core. I still have to design the mount for the blender, and I'm going to get started on that shortly. I think I'd like it to be modular so that the gear cube can be used independent of the motor, but we'll see what happens.